Hi there! Today we're going to learn about how to change the hyperlink color in Mailchimp. If you don't know, a hyperlink is a link that leads to another website, and then we just want to change the color as an example right here on Google. The hyperlink is in blue, and then it's violet, and then red. And then using Mailchimp, you can customize your hyperlink color in order to let the viewers see your link more easily and it's more visually appealing. So if you want, let's start. So here is our Mailchimp dashboard. If you want to choose a template, you can do so by clicking the view email templates. But if you already have a existing email project that you have, just click on campaigns and then you will see your campaigns right here. So I want to choose the minimal email. Let's just click on edit. Then once we're here, we can click on edit design. So here we have our campaign email in Mailchimp. So we just want to edit this. So I want to have another block for the hyperlink. So we can just use the paragraph from the block section here on the sidebar. Just drag and drop, and I want to add it here below the link to other website block. Starting off in adding the link, let's just type the text that we want to have the link, the text that we want to have the hyperlink. Example, want to type hyperlink, and then just highlight it, insert a link. So you can choose the types of links that you want to create. So I'll just stick with web and I'll just put google.com, save. And then now we have our hyperlink right here. As you can see, it is listed in black. If we want to change this, let's just highlight it again and go here to the top bar, find text color, click on it, and then you can choose from the different colors that Mailchimp has to offer. For example, I want the link to be violet, click on violet. I want to have the hyperlink as red, just click on red, and so on and so forth. So I want to have it in violet, and then you want to double check the hyperlink if it's working, just click on preview and then click on it, and it is working as intended. So that is it for this tutorial. I hope you learned how to change hyperlink color in Mailchimp. Thank you for watching.